Now we have our plate mounted, it's time to put in our stabs. Drop stabilizers are notorious for being rattly, so before we put them in, we're going to mod them. First, we're going to clip the feet of the stems. Then, we're going to lube the housings. We're using Krytox 205 grade 0 for anything that's plastic on plastic. Once this is done, we're going to put dielectric grease on our wires before putting the stabilizers together. Now finally, before we add our stabs to our plate, we're going to place some band-aids down on the plate to hopefully reduce some of that extra rattling. Modding the stabs can be fiddly and a bit of extra effort, but it's definitely worth it in the long run. Like and follow to catch the next part.